My name is Chris Foskett, and I decided to do a screencast because of the fact that I've kind of gone back and forth with multiple sites. I've been on Weebly, did stuff way back when I was in 8.10, 8.11, 8.12. Um, did some WordPress stuff recently. Posted a lot of work before to Blogger when I took the earlier classes, but now I'm looking more at WordPress and Wix, and I'm kind of leaning toward Wix, um, but I'm having some trouble with some things. So as you can see here, this is my Weebly page. It's pretty simplistic. I was kind of old school, and I was learning the ropes, but had a lot of different things in here that even some of the sites are no longer accessible. One of the sites I had used was Yodio, which to my knowledge is no longer accessible. Um, so anyway, I decided to bring some of this stuff over to WordPress, and as you can see here, they provided a bunch of images. I like some of the images they provide. I like the format they provide. I didn't care for the way that this image in particular came out, which I'll have to play with that and see if I can edit it. But otherwise, it seemed pretty smooth. I wanted to be kind of not too busy and have nice transitions. I felt like I could do that with WordPress and also, embed some of these links and sublinks, etc., into the page. So the other thing is that some of it may be redundant having the links here and it just jumps down when you can just scroll. So over to Wix, the thing that I liked was the format. I felt it was nice. It gave me some opportunities. Looking at some of the other sites with the resume sections and such, I thought I could do something simplistic here. It does get a lot bigger when I go from setting it up to actually publishing it, which I'm not sure how I feel about that. I'm sure I can adjust some of the sizes and play with it. But the one thing I wanted to do as I got to here with graduate work, I wanted these to be links. And when I assigned a page to them, when I was editing, it ended up putting a link back at the top. So instead of giving me, taking me to this page from the actual Word, it puts it at the top and takes me to a page. So you can see I haven't added images or anything like that here. I'm still trying to play with that. And under the More section, those are the other two sections that are under my graduate work, and I wanted to include those. So any help with those would be great. Those were more or less my struggles with Wix. Otherwise, I may choose to go with WordPress if I can't link the way I'd like to. So hopefully somebody has some ideas, and I can go from there. Thanks.